Hi, my name's Carson Hartlage. I'm a fourth year MD PhD student currently in my second year in the Biomedical Informatics graduate program. I primarily work with Cole Brokamp in the Division of Biostatistics and Epidemiology at Cincinnati Children's. Our lab studies how place-based social and environmental factors shape pediatric health outcomes. We're an interdisciplinary group working at the intersection of population health and clinical informatics, and we have collaborators across many divisions at Cincinnati Children's. My dissertation work focuses on how integrating hyperlocal social and environmental data with healthcare records can improve precision risk assessment for child health. For the RaMP program, I'm looking for a student who is curious, motivated, and interested in using data to address health disparities. Previous coding experience is helpful but not required. We'll provide training and support for this as most of our work is done in R. You'll also gain skills in biostatistics, machine learning, integration of clinical and geospatial data sets, and may be exposed to qualitative research as well. Students will join our small, highly collaborative research team, which currently includes myself, our PI, a senior biostatistician, and a master's student. We've previously had students who are co-authors on publications and had conference presentations, so there will be opportunities for that depending on your contributions. And if it's a good fit, I'm definitely open to working with students long-term, including through the SURF program this summer. If this sounds exciting to you, we'd love to have you on our team. We're excited to hear from you.